Hey everyone, it's Sandra from the DisneyCarToys channel.
Miss Betty also.
And today we are at McDonald's, and guess who's working here today? Shimmer.
Look at her awesome outfit.
Yeah, she's got her like little McDonald's hat and apron.
I love it.
There we go. She's still wearing her little Genie outfit underneath though. Super cute. So actually at the end of the video I'll show you how to make an outfit for Shine because she
she needs
not
one too.
wearing one. Uh-oh.
Oh, she's off the clock right now.
Yeah, she's off the clock. She is eating right now.
Yeah, there's food.
Yes, there's tons of food. So today we're going to do some shopping at McDonald's and help Shimmer and Shine earn some money. It's like their first job.
Yep.
Everybody's first job.
They have to buy a new rug. It's getting old.
Yeah, new magic carpet. So I guess first let's eat some food and then or buy some food with our lovely cash register.
Ooh.
And we can buy some toys. So I think I'll buy this burger. Looks very tasty and there's gotta be something inside. Wait a minute.
Huh?
Wait a minute. What in the world? That is not a regular burger.
What is
Maybe they use their like Genie powers to turn this into something
like
odd.
a transformer thingy? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But you know what? I guess I'll ring it up though. I mean, I've touched it. Hamburger, so like maybe $2.
Okay.
For a hamburger. Okay, what do you want to buy?
You know, I like fries.
Okay.
I love fries. So,
Yeah, eat your fries.
Okay.
You're the transformer too! I know, let me ring you up though. Okay,
French
those are
fries.
$1.
Okay, yeah, French fries are cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and it's got like arms and stuff. Wow, weird.
That is bizarre. Oh, do they come out?
I think so.
Oh, weird. Oh, yeah, they're like stuck inside. Oh, they slide out like this, like robot.
Wow, that is. Not
Yeah, that's, you know what? I mean, their food's actually, you know what? You better check out everything else. Let's see. So we're up to $3. Okay, how much does it drink? Like $1?
Yeah, it's $1. Yeah.
So plus $1.
Yep.
Is now $4.
Yep. Oh, it's a drink. Yep.
Yes. Yeah, drink. And then their ice cream. Oh yeah, down here.
Ice cream.
I say $2. Yeah, plus $2.
Okay.
So we owe $6.
$6.
Let's check out this ice cream now.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Let's see. Oh yeah, wait. See, look, it's got hands.
Oh.
And it's
look at this drink.
Oh my goodness, that's actually the most scary one. And this one's scary too.
It's like you thought your soda was gonna be normal.
Yes. No, I don't think so. Oh, that's weird. Oh, look, it's weird. It's like a wings or something. I don't know. This McDonald's food's a little crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, we owe them $6.
$6 for these weird little.
For the weird stuff. So luckily we have money.
Yeah. We have enough.
Here we go. $6. Shimmer and Shine. You're wealthy now. You know what? Since our food is so bizarre, I say we should make our own.
Yeah, we should make real food.
Let's see. I have a McDonald's fry maker.
Oh,
right
perfect.
here.
So we'll make fries.
Yeah, so we'll make fries.
So we need yellow plate for that.
We can do a McFlurry.
Oh, perfect.
Because everyone loves
Sunday.
McFlurries.
Extruder.
And then the apple pie.
Oh,
yummy.
Apple pie.
And then, chicken nuggets.
Oh, delicious.
Chicken nuggets.
Love chicken nuggets.
And cookies too.
Yum.
So let's do that. We'll make our own because that stuff is weird. And then also we'll open up some surprise Happy Meal toys too.
These have surprises.
Yes, so we'll ring those up on the cash register later. But now, yeah, let's prep to make some food.
Alright, we're gonna make some French fries first, and I loaded the yellow Play-Doh in here, packed it nice and tight.
Oh,
you can see it
wow.
there.
It's like a special extruder. This is a very old McDonald's set. Like,
But it
very
works
old.
awesome. It, like,
Okay, let's
so
see
good.
it. Let's see some good fries. Hopefully they don't transform into monsters
I know,
like
right?
our weird other food.
Okay, and then you can see it pressing through.
Oh, look, yummy, yummy! McDonald's fries are actually like super tasty.
Ooh.
Oh, wow, that is like perfect.
Look at that.
Holy cow. All those times I've been making my own McDonald's fries just from Play-Doh, I should use this extruder.
Look at that, it's beautiful.
It looks so perfect. Okay, let's see. Let's see if Tala approves.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely, definitely approves of it.
I love these.
Yummy. Okay, well, I'll make something for Shine then.
Perfect.
I'll make a McFlurry for her.
Yum, I love McFlurry.
I know, I haven't had one in like a really long time.
Oh, probably like
years.
Like years, like probably 10 years.
Okay, so let's load her up. Some white vanilla. I wish they had chocolate. That'd be amazing.
Oh, that would be really good.
Okay, so
Delicious.
I'm gonna have to do this for a while.
Yeah, like, to make a lot of
like the McFlurry machine is actually a lot easier. So let me load it up again. Okay, so we're loading up some more. I actually did some on my own because I was
we
like,
filled it up because it's gonna take a long.
I was gonna take you guys. You'd be sitting here for like 6 hours.
Yeah.
For you, like you swirl it.
Okay,
I'll like
swirl,
push.
swirl, swirl, swirl. Okay, swirl, swirl.
Okay, there we go.
Swirl. Yep.
And then I'm gonna fill it up one more time because I mean we want a really full McFlurry.
We want a beautiful McFlurry.
Yes. So.
It's looking good though.
It is looking really
looking
good.
Like a real one. Like.
And they usually have. I was thinking maybe we could add some sprinkles or something to it.
Yes, perfect.
We shall see. Okay.
Because what's it without topping, right?
Okay, so like push it down and turn. Oh, there we go. That's it.
You just twirl it around a little bit. There we go. Oh, beautiful.
Okay. And then I have some greenish Play-Doh because this is gonna be for Shine.
Oh, perfect.
So I figured we'll add like just kind of like almost like M&Ms or sprinkles.
Ooh, yeah, M&Ms, like an M&M McFlurry.
Like a special mint M&Ms. How amazing would that be?
Oh,
okay, there we go.
Delicious.
That looks delicious. Let's get Shine over here. We got a surprise.
She's like, ooh, this is the best break ever.
Oh no, we're getting McDonald's. Oh, this is awesome.
Yummy.
Okay, so let's check out really quick. I see our ice cream like $3.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
And then
that. And then
yours
fries
like
probably like $2. Yeah, let's see.
So $5.
Cash.
Yep. They're gonna get tons of money.
Yep.
And then Inspire Toys. I have bought toys. I feel like it's $1.50.
Okay.
So we can do. I'll get one.
Okay.
And then you'll
I'll get one.
So then $3 total.
$3. Oh yeah, we got the
Gosh, I know.
Right,
Money.
Right.
Okay, sweet. So let's see what I got. Dashes! My Little Pony, which is perfect because they sell like My Little Ponies for your Happy Meal prize.
Oh yeah, they do.
Yeah.
And then I got a DC minifigures.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we haven't. It's been a really long time. Oh wait, hey, is that Green Lantern?
Green Lantern.
We have him? Maybe one?
Maybe, but I don't really remember opening one.
I don't remember opening one either. He's cool. Let me see mine. Oh, look, Pinkie Pie.
Oh, cute. Squishy, squishy.
Yes, very squishy. She's cute. Very cute. Oh, these are like. Actually, Pinkie Pie would be perfect for Shimmer. I'll put her over.
Oh yeah, nice and
Shimmer.
Yep.
There we go.
Cute.
So we got a couple more things that we can make. McNuggets, which I think this is actually how they make McNuggets in real life, right?
They take
and it's just simple because they're all like perfect looking, right?
They're all perfect. They take the chicken product
and
and they put it in the molds and cut it up.
Well, look at these. Like we have these McNugget buddies up here. McNuggetville Post Office.
Oh, cute.
And like it's like a postal worker McNugget. They're actually all like super adorable. They kind of look like potatoes, don't they?
Oh my gosh, they totally do.
Look at all of them. They're like adorable. Oh, there's a fire department. No, that's cute.
I love it. So 90s.
Yeah, it's so totally 90s. So I'll make ourselves some McNuggets that we can
yummy.
buy here. We're kind of running low on money, by the way.
We better stop.
Yeah, we better stop.
Buying toys.
Okay, let's see our nuggets. Oh, perfect. Ta-da! McNuggets!
Nugget.
Looks like a potato. That's really tasty. And then you can make with my leftover dough.
Oh, hey,
it's so funny. This is the last of our dough. Actually, I'll just make it. The pies.
Yes, I love.
Yeah, I haven't had their apple pie like since I was a little kid.
Yeah, and they used to fry them, and they were so good.
And now they're like
so much worse for you.
I don't know what they are. Okay, so I'm just like putting tons of Play-Doh in here.
Yeah, let's see what it does. Okay. Squish, squish, squish. Those are really hard to
Oh, wow. Look, the McDonald's logo.
Perfect.
Cool.
Little pies.
Okay, what's this?
And now the trick is getting them out.
Yes.
Without breaking them. Right?
Gotta be careful. Magic fingers.
Yeah,
So let's see.
They're kind of hard to get out.
They are hard to go. You're like jinxing me.
I mean, they're easy.
Okay, what's it? Let me try this guy. There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Come on.
Oh, come on.
Okay, well, I'll show you this one because this one turned out. The other one's maybe lost forever. Oh, you got it. Hey, okay.
I mean,
there we go. How much the apple pie I feel like is always on the dollar menu, isn't it?
Usually it's $1, yeah.
So
we got two pies.
So we got two pies. So I guess $2 and then
a chicken nugget's probably like
$1. We're running low on money, so let's see. Chicken nuggets right here. Chicken McNuggets. Oh yeah, it's McNugget. There we go. We'll put it right here. And here, okay, so $1 for our nugget, and then
$2 for the
$2 for pies. $3 total. There we go. Cash. There. And look at this money.
Look at there, making
we
lots
have
of money.
one more thing we can make though. A cookie. Isn't this cool?
Ooh,
cookie.
delicious.
So we'll get prepped for that.
Alright, so we're gonna make a cookie, and I already put little chocolate chips in the bottom here. So delicious.
Do
I don't
they
even
still sell cookies? Okay,
Yeah,
they did. I remember when I was a kid, they sold those cinnamon cookies, but then also they had bags of chocolate chip cookies.
Ooh.
But I don't know if they do anymore.
No, I'm like, shoot.
Okay, let us know in the comments if you know.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that was like perfect. Cookie Monster would be proud.
He'd be like, I want it. Give me the cookie.
Yeah, this is like, our Play-Doh is almost too good. That's hard to peel off.
I know, it's like so amazing.
Yeah, where's my knife?
Oh yeah, get our beautiful
Yeah,
knife here.
yes, I love our Play-Doh knives.
They are perfect. Let's see.
There we go. Okay, I think that's, oops, sorry, I stabbed you.
And luckily they are safe.
Okay, yeah, luckily it's plastic. Okay, there we go. That is delicious. Okay, I say $1 for the cookie, and we can give it to Pinkie Pie. 'Cause, I mean, well, actually, you know what? Wait. I'm just kidding. We should give the pie to Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie, yeah.
Yeah, and then we can give maybe the cookie to Green Lantern, because he's like one of those like meh superheroes, so he needs a cookie.
It's like, here's a cookie.
There we go. Tasty, and then we'll pay our $1.
Perfect.
So, what's our cookie button here? I don't even see one.
Cookie, yeah, see, they don't even have a
I don't even know what this says. Wait, what is that?
Oh, that's Happy Meal. Let's do it as just a pie, maybe.
Okay.
Because those are $1 each. So, then we'll take cash.
Okay, and we only have $10 left. Is that crazy?
Oh man, we blew through a lot.
Oh wait, well we have to buy toys yet. So I have to bring some change, I guess.
Okay, because
So
they're
yeah,
like
$1.50 we said.
so it's $3
Yeah.
for another 2.
Yeah, so I'll
toys.
grab this one.
Okay,
Grab that one.
I'll grab this one.
We have the same box. Matching.
Perfect.
Okay, so let me see. Oh, Monster High minis. These are really cool.
Ooh, very cool.
Very legit.
Chocolate.
What? Oh wow, look at this one. She's so cute.
Wow,
She's
what
like
is
bedtime? I don't know what her name is.
she? Let's look it up.
Let's see if she's special though. She kind of looks special to me, but you never know.
She looks cool. And I got my little backpacks, Shopkins.
Oh, she is a blue skull, so common.
Okay. Very cool. I like her hair too.
Okay.
And then let's see. I got the Shopkins. Okay. Now,
This is season 5.
season 5. Let's get that open.
They're most recent. It's funny, there's so many seasons now. I remember back when there was just one season.
I know, right? That was 5.
Oh wow, that's cool. That's the like little roll.
Jelly jam roll. Yep.
Yeah, Julie Jam roll.
She's coming.
And then this seems interesting. Let's see a good shape. Oh, hey, is this the
Oh,
piano?
I love the
That's
piano.
cool.
Piano, where are you?
I don't know. Do we have?
Oh yeah,
piano?
here. Poly piano.
Oh, okay. And that's
she's
very
rare.
Sweet.
Cool.
Alrighty, so we're going to make Shine's lovely outfit as promised. So it's just going to be apron, and I'm going to make it very basic. So like a little wider.
There we
like
go.
this.
Oh, okay.
And then
Little perfect. And all
like kind of like a little skirt.
perfect.
There we go. Then we have some extra red, which I'll use in a second.
Yep.
So just fold out her arms like this.
And just kind of
Attach it. Yeah. These are easy, I feel like. Very easy. Okay. And then I'm just going to take like an extra piece of Play-Doh and just kind of attach it on the back, just kind of to hold it together like a strap.
That's a good idea.
And that's what I did with Shimmers too. So it's very easy. I'm just doing like a very basic
perfect.
here, like that.
Perfect.
And then we need to make the M.
Oh yeah.
So I already like kind of pre-rolled out some yellow here. I'm gonna put her down.
Beautiful. Fold it up good like that.
The arch is always difficult. It's kind of okay.
Right.
And there we go. The golden arch.
That looks really good. Yeah.
Ta-da!
Perfect.
And then I need just a little bit of red for the strap. So I'm just gonna kind of roll it out in my palm here.
Throw a little teeny strap out of there.
Yeah.
Skinny, and then wrap it around her neck.
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
Make it longer.
Because she's got like such a big head.
It's like woo! Yeah, their heads are very
She's
disproportionate.
very
to their
smart
bodies.
though. That's why.
all that brain, all that genie magic in it.
Yeah. It requires some brain power. There we go. So strap there. So we're good with that, and then I have to make her hat.
Oh yeah, we need a little visor.
The visor for Shimmer. Actually, if you want to hold her for a second.
Yeah, gotta be.
It's like
gotta be
I just kind of took a big ball of Play-Doh and like shaped it on her head. No joke.
Hey, it works.
Yeah, it works. So you take like a big ball of Play-Doh.
And you just
like just kind of sculpt it on her head like that.
Just form it. Very
there we go. It's almost like a Napoleon hat. There we go.
Oh yeah, like a tricorn hat. Yeah. Oh, funny.
There we go. And then we have yellow again. So I'll take the M again, but smaller.
There you go. Oh, cool. Yeah, the M's turned out perfect.
There we go. And now she officially has a job!
So her...
Yeah, these turned out really well.
Yep.
See, twinners, they work together.
Yep, but Shimmer's like, hey, I've been working, it's my turn.
Yeah, it's her turn to take a little break and eat some McDonald's food. Actually, my favorite that we made is the fries. So
I know, I love
she can eat those.
I want some now.
I know, me too, I'm hungry. Well, please make sure to like this video, especially if you want more Shimmer Shine or Play-Doh videos.
Yep.
And subscribe to the DisneyCarToys channel. In the comments, let us know what your favorite thing to eat at McDonald's is.
Ooh.
I'd say, honestly, just since it's in front of my face, fries.
The fries. Delicious.
So
I love the burgers.
Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video and click on the question mark to watch a mystery video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.